Understanding Pole Pruner, an essential tool for garden care. Hello, friends. Today we're diving into the world of gardening tools to uncover the meaning and use of a pole pruner. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a green thumb learning English, this video is for you. Let's understand what a pole pruner is and how it's used. A pole pruner is a tool designed for trimming branches and foliage that are out of reach. It consists of a long pole with a cutting mechanism on one end, often operated by a cord or chain. There are different types of pole pruners. Some are manual, while others are powered by electricity or gas. The key here is that it allows for pruning from the ground without the need for a ladder. Every pole pruner has three main parts. 1. The pole. This is the long handle that allows you to reach high branches. 2. The pruning head. This is the part with the cutting blade or saw. 3. The control mechanism. For manual pruners, this will be a cord or chain you pull to operate the blade. Understanding these parts helps in knowing how to use the tool effectively. Pole pruners are ideal for cutting branches that are too high to reach without a ladder. To use one, position the blade over the branch. For manual pruners, pull the cord to slice through the branch. For powered pruners, activate the motor to cut. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gear and ensure that the area below is clear. Taking care of your pole pruner will extend its life and make it more effective. Clean the blade after use, sharpen it regularly, and if it's a powered pruner, make sure to check the motor and batteries if applicable. We hope this video clears up any confusion about what a pole pruner is and how it can be a valuable tool for maintaining trees and large shrubs. Remember, safety first and happy gardening! If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning and see you next time!